Hi fellas, it's Vincent, so welcome back to another unboxing video. So, since I've unboxed the Foo Fighters 7 album, Wasting Light, their latest record, but here we are. Then Pearl Jam's, their latest record, Dark Matter. Dark Matter. Then the Michael Jackson's Thriller, his 6th album, but the 40th anniversary, and yes, I took off the album. The front of this album. Don't know what to say. Then Linkin Park's latest record, From Zero. So today we're going to unbox Pink Floyd's 8th album, The Dark Side of the Moon, the 50th anniversary edition. As you can see, fellas, this triangle, but actually, the correct word to call this is prism. Yeah, this one is the most iconic in music history. They're everywhere, like in ads, commercials, well, globally. As I mentioned before, like last year I unboxed the Pink Floyd's Delicate Sound of Thunder, their live performance in New York, 1988 on Blu-ray, but like the reissue or remastered version of it. I honestly wish that I had a disc that plays in a video about live performances and concerts by their bands. I spoke about this icon of Drew in 2 years ago. And for myself, I also like the biggest artwork piece I've made. Not gonna lie, it's incredible. Just look at it. This icon I've drew is to honor the band's 8th album's 50th anniversary. Right now, it's already 52. Well, this album cover is inspired by a picture that shows a beam of light that goes into the prism and then projects colors. Yeah, this is called as visible spectrum, some kind of optical radiation or something, which is recognized as physics. As I already knew 2 years ago that most people online criticized the album's cover, including their 50th anniversary edition. So that's why it gained a lot of controversy and backlash because of these rainbows. These rainbow colors. Like, you see any rainbows while it rains, But since most people get mad because of this rainbow, they have so many things to learn, and they're always been at the beginning in music history. If they're mad about this, then they wouldn't know anything about the legacy, the Pink Floyd's legacy. Well, for me personally, I classify this album like 100 out of 10, or S+. This is way iconic. I have no idea why most people out there are still mad about this thing, but they still have a lot to learn. This album has themes based on its lyrics such as conflicts, life, death, time, greed, and chaos. There's the other album released by the bassist and the co-founder of Pink Floyd, Roger Waters. It's called The Dark Side of the Moon Redux. All the songs, like from this original album, were all recorded by himself. I mean, that album, as you can see, the album cover, it shows a dog has on its eye reflection in this album. But it didn't gain much more positive reviews, so they rather choose this album over the Redux version by Roger Waters. However, it has 10 tracks, including Time, The Great Jig in the Sky, my favorite track, Money, Us and Them, Any Color You Like, and Brain Damage. Yeah, just like they recorded their LP, like the vinyl records I'm talking to. Yeah, you see that the vinyl records has both sides. You see that 5 tracks represent in the front side of the vinyl record, and the rest of these 5 tracks represent on the back side. It was originally recorded on EMI, but at the current time, it's still called as Abbey Road Studios. You know, that album with the exact same title, as I said, the name of that studio in London, by the Beatles, whose band members were on the crosswalk. Yeah, it was released on 1969. It's a pretty great record. Well, anyways, talking about this album, it was recorded on EMI Recording Studios in London, United Kingdom. It's labeled as originally Harvest and Capitol, whose parent company is Universal Music Studios. But in this reissue, it's distributed by Parlophone Records Limited and a Warner Music Group company. Yeah, it's a different company. Well, but in the end, this costs 21.99 euros. Well, almost 22 euros. Well, enough with the shit chat, and without further ado, let the box begin. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Beauty, huh? Yeah, I really like that design in the front side that goes into the back side. The inverted prism, like it's the upside down. Pink Floyd Records. Cool. Okay, let's open it. Whoa, just like their original LP album. Okay. There is a record. Okay. Whoa. This must be the original artwork of the album. The back side. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10. It has band members, all of these tracks, Pyramids, and Giza, all lyrics by Roger Waters. It has credits, full amount of credits. Also, it has lyrics. Okay. Okay, let's put it back in. I'm gonna take a look on a CD. Wait, hold on. Oh. Whoa. Sick, huh? Looks absolutely sick. And good at the same time. And that's pretty much it. Before the video ends, if you want more unboxing videos, be sure to like, subscribe, and smash the bell for notifications on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you fellas in the next video. Peace!